If you are a beginner in JavaScript, this calculator project will help you understand functions, DOM manipulation, and even handling in a super simple way. Let's build it step by step. I am creating the structure of the calculator using HTML. We need a display to show the numbers and buttons for user input. Input fields used as display, buttons for numbers and operators, on click triggers JavaScript functions. Now I'm using CSS to make the calculator look modern and clean. Good UI is important because users interact visually first. I'm using CSS grid to align buttons evenly like a real calculator. Now comes the core logic using JS. This is where we make the calculator actually work. Here, I am selecting the display element using DOM manipulation, so we can update its value dynamically. This function adds numbers or operators to the display wherever a button is called. This function resets display. It's useful when the user wants to start fresh. This function removes the last character using slice. It's like a backspace feature. Here, I'm using eval to evaluate the mathematical expression entered by the user. In a real-world projects, eval is not recommended for security reasons, but for simple projects like this, it's okay. Now, our calculator is fully working using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to ModernStack for more projects.